Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. I hope you are enjoying the videos I'm posting on YouTube as well as on Instagram. In today's episode, I'm gonna try the Smart Plus trigger from Miops, but first let's unbox it.
So let us jump into the unboxing. The package is very elegant, as you can see. The smart trigger is very well protected and well padded inside. We have also some cables and documentations. We should install the application via the QR code, and once it is installed, we have to update it to make it work properly. The connectivity between the smart trigger and the smartphone is very fast. The smart trigger has an LCD screen, so we can scroll into the menu and choose the settings that we want, or we can use the application, which is very user-friendly.
This device has several smart options such as lightning, sound, time-lapse, storm-lapse, bulb ramp, remote, timer, HDR, laser, and so on. So let's go try it and shoot some time lapses.
Okay, so I packed my camera backpack and went to find a place to shoot the time lapse. I found this area nearby. It was muddy and cold. I started to set up my tripod. It's a carbon fiber Rolei tripod. I had to make sure that the tripod is sturdy and stable in the mud. Then I fixed my camera, the Nikon Z6 II, with the Tamron 24-70 f2.8. Then I connected the Miops Smart Plus trigger on the hot shoe of the camera and connected it through the trigger cable. And only now I turn on the device. Since I shoot manual, I have to roll in the aperture, the ISO and the shutter speed of the camera. The best settings I found for this shot: 1/25th of the second as the shutter speed, f7.1 for the aperture, and ISO 100. Once I'm satisfied with the composition of the image and the camera settings, I open the Miops app on the mobile phone and I connect it to the trigger. I choose the time-lapse option and then I dial my settings, 5 seconds and 300 shots, and let's go.
I have two camera systems, the Fujifilm X-T4 and the Nikon Z6 II, and every time I try to do some time-lapse, I struggle to put the correct parameters on the camera. So with this device, I only plug it on the hot shoe, I connect the cable to the trigger cable of the camera, and that's it. I hope you like this video and find it interesting. Please give it a like so it helps me to reach more people, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget also to follow Miops on Instagram to know more about their products. Till then, stay safe and see you.